They ran away from here. Called after 6, then come over. He ran and got his yellow duck. I think I saw the brown turtle. He can help to make her well. I like going to sleep here. 5 old turtles are there. Let me ask here to come. He will come by after 5. Deer cat run around here. We can help you eat the 2 ducks may walk over there. We will take off the brown can. Help him to come before 7. It is very cold today. I do not like to play by myself. I don't know where to stop. When can it fly again? They have never been there. Who had 8 yellow ducks? Their cat was black and white. May we start to play? You must try once, then try again. Always write your name before you start. Tell here to it to him. You must drink all of it. Do the work first, then play. You may keep the 10 new turtles. How much does he bring? He goes to him for help. Soon they will find only there of us there. He ate it before it got warm. Our work gave them much help. Will you buy those funny yellow ducks? Hold it open for here. He was made a cold drink. Better start to work right now. It is all done for you. It is cold, so run and jump around. He said he can make it fall. Use the right light when you read. Both of you will sit here. Run too fast and you may fall. They found it under here. Can you pick it up? The cut hurt very much. Say which one you want. I will carry the small one myself. Why pull it up there? My own work is kind of good. Please thank him for the cold drink. I live far from here. It will grow best over here. I like to laugh and sing, don't you? I wish there's were together. How many shells come here? What? Because you must get clean. Throw it them, show it to him. She gave him a hot drink. She will start to say once I told.